beeping at us. What's up guys, I just got dressed and everything. We're going to go down to Frankston today with a bunch of my mates and stuff. So hopefully it's going to be good. And yeah, I'll catch you guys at the bus stop, so let's go. Guys, we approached Langley Skate Park. We got Jack, we got Courtney, we got Ezra on the phone. So I was going to go to Frankston, so hopefully you can. And yeah, I said I'll catch you guys at the bus stop, but it doesn't matter. We're here at Langley. Hey guys, it's your boy Jordan Defros here. Today at Langley Skate Park, and Russell just did Downside Disaster. Oh my god, and he just did it again. What an amazing bloke. This deserves to be filmed. Easy.
Downside Disaster. You ready, guys? Do it. Time. I'm going!
It's all gone out. Just got off the bus, told you guys that I was going to go on, but who cares? We got Jack here. Where are we going to go?
We're going to go under. Let's go under the bridge. No, bro!
Skater fag.
No!
We're going to go down to the shops. Are you going to go to the shops or are you going to go
No, I'm
shops?
going to shop.
Yeah, we might. I don't know what we're going to do, but hopefully it's going to end up good, so catch you guys. Guys, this is like the best spot. Oi, where are they? Oi, bomb it.
Oh, it's sketchy.
Oi, that had good spots up there. What did he say?
So I said, I'm trying to impress some goth chick, and he said, oh yeah, so what sort of stuff does she wear? I said, she's really dark. Like, she wears a lot of dark stuff. And then he's like, oh yeah, right, so to go to, which shop was it? That shop, one of these shops, that one, Metal Mosh. To go to that shop, because it's full to be.
Which one do we get, boys? Which one, eh? Should we get this one?
How much do you have?
70.
Oh yeah, we'll get that one.
I think I'm going to cop this. I think I'm going to cop it.
This is what we...
Hey, it's Rice Cum! Oh no, that's Kingy.
Oh. What are the odds we'll pick something?
You wouldn't.
Oh, what is the odds? Do the thing where you like shake.
Guys, we're going to go the back way and do the air horn at Frankston Skate Park. This is probably going to go like so bad. Like someone's probably going to like kill me. I got a satchel on, I got this camera, I got this air horn. It's not going to go down good. Let's go. No, that's why I don't want you doing it. So we just got an air horn and we're going to do some air horn pranks for you guys. Hopefully it's going to look pretty sick.
I've got one as well.
Unzoom. Cars were beeping at us.
We know. Hide behind the car when they're going out and just...
You give us the camera. Who was honking back at us? No, don't do it now. Oi, let's save it and I'll set the camera. I broke.
Wait, you a guy or girl? No offense. No, I'm a girl.
Fuck. Yeah, come on. My keys.
My lips are really pink right now.
Double price.
Oh, Miss.
No one cares about you.
Miss.
Do it to these people. Do it to these
Tastes
people.
like shit. Did you spill into a bottle? What's going on?
At. Hey.
Three bar out of there. Out here at Lang Warren, filming some clips. Here's Beck. Say hello to the camera. How's it going?
Hey vlog.
Hey guys, how's it going? Let's see you both. Oi, Zach, you ready for Fuck yeah!
Hey Zach.
Holy shit, I have no grip tape then. That was fire. Yeah, get out of big, I'll do some clips.